previous video, we have seen what is a processor and what does it do. We saw that it acts like a brain for all the robots that we are going to build. Now, there are many components on the processor. Let's take a look at them. Hello everyone, I am Sai Prakash from the Butterflyfields, and this is a series on the robotic starter kit. Now, here we have the processor. On the processor you can see there are various components on it. Let's take a look at them one by one. Now, there are main three parts on it. The first one is the input, then you have the output, and then the power. Now, the power part is from where the machine gets its energy to do all the works it's supposed to do, like our body gets energy from the food. Now, there is another way to power the machines, that is with the help of the header pins. Now, for the input part, we have 3 pins here, and for the output modules to be connected, we have 4 pins. Now, for the output modules, the J5 and the J6 pin have the same output, J7 and J8 pins have the same output. Now, the other main component on the board is the integrated circuit or the IC. Now, ICs are like Legos. They are the building blocks of the computer. Now, the IC used here is L293D. Now, there are other components here. Those are the capacitors. Now, these two capacitors are used to maintain the current flow in the circuit, and it also helps in keeping all the other components safe. So, to recap the series till now, we talked about what is a processor, what does the processor do, what are the components on the processor, what is the function of each component. Now, in the starter kit, there are other electronic bits also, like the sensors. Now, let's start with the infrared sensor.